Yo, that's sexy, bro. Fuck. Fuck. Yo.
Your neighbors are gonna hate you pull up the street, bro. It's gonna be a menace, bro.
My boy, he thinks we're going on a shoot to a dealership. So he has no clue. Like, he's on his way right now. He'll be here literally any minute. And to make it more believable, I'm going to be packing all my gear. So I'm going to be bringing my gimbal with me. I'm bringing everything. Like, you know, I'm a little dressed up. You know what I mean? We're about to take this drive. So let's go. I got the C63. I'm about to start it up and we're about to get his reaction right now.
I swear to God, he just bought it from us. Yeah.
So I think my phone ran out of storage literally at that exact point when the guy was recording. And also I wasn't able to retrieve any of the Insta360 footage to get like the live reaction from our friend. But overall, he really loved the car. We ended up then driving it back to the shop to show Brandon and Leo. And right now, that's what's going on in these clips.
They are actually ordering the Yo, I need to get this bullshit off, bro. Yeah. So we're at my boy Brandon's shop, Urban Vinyl Wrap. My boy Leo's gonna be coming. I'm excited for him to see that. Bro, look at how clean that side profile is, bro. That's crazy. I'm not gonna lie, I thought the wheels were gonna be ass, but like they look pretty good. They look really good. Got 2 Ps. The other one needs a battery. Now that I'm looking at it for real, like, it's crazy, bro. Thank you, bro. This thing is mean, bro. I'm not gonna lie.
I'm hyped, bro.
And there are coilovers on there, you know?
Oh, you got coilovers?
It came with it.
Which one? BC. Oh, you're showing.
Oh shit, is he coming?
I would just like bob it.
Alright. Здорово, брат.
Hello, commercial big mafia.
Mafia, okay.
We taking on a drive?
You wanna go? Yeah, let's go.
Yo, this shit got some power, bro.
I wasn't even putting it all the way because I didn't want to fucking spin out.
Bro, I can imagine, bro. Honestly, I haven't had any rear-wheel drive cars that are like this powerful. Damn, bro.
See how it's like jumpy
Yeah.
in Sport Plus? Like I'm pressing the gas pedal like this much. Hold up.
Damn. It's about to have miles per gallon.
Literally.
This shit might give Leo's car a run for his money. Ain't getting the left hand lane. Bro, I love the fucking snappiness. Like, it'll be like a U-turn coming up and you go back on there. And it's rear-wheel drive, bro. This shit gets up. Oh, we got a good race. It's gonna be a menace, bro.
And sometimes at the stoplights, I'll put it in neutral and I'll rev it, and it's just so satisfying, bro.
Bam. Shaboom. I still want my AMG GTS, but I love the way it sounds though.
God damn. Yo, that's sexy, bro. Fuck. Fuck. Yo.
After settling down, taking a couple test rides in this, let's do a walk around. Now the white interior, obviously it wasn't something that I was looking for. It's actually kind of growing on me and I do like it. If there's a way to restore all these cracks, I'm definitely gonna do that soon. Obviously windows are tinted
What?
all around, except for the windshield though. But yeah, from the back it just looks mean, bro. But overall, in terms of driving, it drove pretty well. This thing's already on coilovers. Coilovers, at the end of the day, it's not stock suspension, so it's not gonna be the most comfortable ride quality, but it's bearable. And the clearance is pretty good too, because I was able to get over some pretty nasty bumps on the Sawmill Parkway, like on my way back to Jersey. So shout out New York, you know, for fixing their roads, I guess.